Alright, hi guys. I just got a package from Shein. So I'm gonna be opening it. I hope you guys can hear me. The first thing I see, let me zoom you guys in. Don't mind my gloves. I was just filming and I literally heard the truck pull up and ran down there. Got this. So I hope it's in focus. Okay, this is the first thing I ordered. I ordered lots of nail art. Hold on. So I got some churro charms. They come in gold, silver, and white. I'm actually gonna pull my phone out so I can tell you how much everything was. Here's my order. So here's these charms. They came out to 93 cents. They were $1, but I used a discount code on my whole order. And I got 6 of them. Okay. Ooh, super excited for these. I got these. They're so cute. These are like super trendy right now. And then I got some dollar signs. That's what they look like. They're silver and they were $1, but with the Shein discount, they were 93 cents. And then I got some water slide decals because they look super cute. I got these charms. Oh, those are pretty. Wow. And then I got some nail tips from them. Let me zoom out a little bit. For 400 pieces, they were $3.89 after discount. Before the discount, they were $4.50. Let me see. Oh, those are pretty good. I'm bending them and they're not even really moving. Okay. These, I'd actually recommend these. These are actually pretty strong and sturdy. Look at I'm really bending and it didn't even leave a mark. Okay, Shein. Alright, we got all this. I'm excited. Alright, so I got some of these stickers. And I honestly got this because of the heart stickers. I think they're so cute with like the flame. Super cute. I also got these stickers. I've had them before and they're like my favorite butterfly stickers. Because the colors, I think they're just so pretty. Alright, I got a little foil. So it comes like 10 sheets like this. They're all just floral. I don't really want to mess them up. But all 10 of them were 93 cents. Here's some charms. Let me take these out. Okay, let me see if we can zoom in there. They're super cute. They're like 2 butterflies on each other. These were $1.38 for 10 of them. Okay, what is next? What is this? Oh, okay, I got these little like silver crosses just because I have some in gold. I don't have enough like silver charms, you know what I mean? And I believe there's just 10 of them. Wow, this is a lot smaller than I thought it was gonna be. Okay, so this, I'm gonna take it out. So basically, you take like gold charms, like little ones. I got some of them, so I'm gonna pull them out as well. See, like, wow, there's barely in here. But you know how you have like these flat gold charms, and on press-ons it's kind of hard to encapsulate them because they're flat and they don't curve. So you put them on here, and then you take this thing and you just like smush it and it curves the charm. I'm gonna test this out. Maybe that could be a video, but there's not a lot of butterflies in there. Okay, so yeah, that was what this was. It basically just curves the little gold charms that are super flat. It's actually really small. Like, I have little hands, little chunky hands, and it's like, I don't know, it's super tiny. Here it is compared to my iPhone. Just to give you an idea, it's puny. Okay. But it's gonna work, who cares? And again, I got these butterflies. There's not a lot in there. Let's see, this had to be like $1. They definitely catfished me because like this is what I thought I was gonna get. Tell me that doesn't look like a lot, right? What I paid for. Oh, what I got. But it's cool. It was I think it was only, let's see, it was $2, so it's not that bad. Ooh, I've been waiting to see these. Let me show you guys. They're like cherries. They're cute. They kind of look cuter online, but it's okay. But see, they're like little silver cherry charms. Like I said, I'm trying to collect more silver because I have so much gold. That's what they look like. So that's what they are. They were $2. Not too bad. Super cute. Next, I got these super duper trendy charms. They're super cute. I got only the hot pink one, I think. I might have got other ones. They're probably, oh, is that them? Yeah, I also got some silver ones. See the hot pink ones? Those are super cute. I'm definitely gonna do a set with those. There's the silver ones, or like the clear ones. Wish this sticker wasn't on there. Oh hell no, they're super sticky. Never mind. Alright, so I'm just gonna have to take them all out. Look at these. I thought these were so cute. Tell me those aren't super cute. They give me like Sailor Moon vibes for sure. Yep, Sailor Moon vibes for sure. They're so cute. A little dirty, but they're so cute. I cannot wait to use them. And then I got some more butterfly charms. These are super cute. Oh, I got 2 of them. Hold on, let me see. Or I'm not gonna look in there right now. But they were $1.84. $1.84 for 10 of them. And it looks like I accidentally bought 2. So there should be another little thing in there. But aren't they so cute? Alright, and then next are these charms. Oop, I ripped the bag. I'm definitely gonna organize all these. That low-key would be a cute little idea. Look at those are so cute. Oh my gosh, they're so cute. They're so cute. They sound like I'm talking about a baby. Looks like they were $2.76. Look how they looked on there. I mean, they look the same, but aren't they so cute? Like on some V-tips. $3, but after discount they were $2.76. This ripped, so we're just gonna, and then I got this file. It's a glass nail file, and I'm not gonna lie, I only got it because it was super cute. Okay, can you see? It's super pretty. I don't know if I'll use it. So I got that. I got some more stickers. Here. Oh, okay. So I'm gonna show you one by one. Alright, well I'm gonna try to move the light, but that's what it looks like. I love like these little stars. And the hearts, so cute. And then this one is super cute. I think I got it because of this one, because it has butterflies and stars. And the moon is super cute. And then there was also this one, which has like unicorns and stars. Kind of hard to see because the stickers are white, and then my nail table is like white marble, so that's why I'm like hiding the light right now. Super cute. And then this last one. Ooh, I've been waiting to look at this one. So these are just like the colorful ones I bought, but they're white, and I love the heart in here. I honestly only got it for the heart. Aren't they so cute? Especially that one. I want to take it out. They're so cute. Oh my gosh, they're so cute. I say cute a lot. This is gonna be a cute nail art haul. What's next? While we're looking at those, might as well grab these. These are just like the ones at the beginning. I'll grab them fast. So we got some hearts and some stars. They were $1.38 after discount, but $1.50 originally, which I think is still really good for these. And then I got some dotting tools, because I feel like you can never have too many of them. So that's what they look like. With dotting tools, you guys can do like animal prints and clouds, flowers, all types of different things. The blooming gel, like trendy thing that's going around. This is what you would use to drop the gel polish in the blooming gel. Ooh, we got some more of these. I went in on these charms. They're so cute. Oh my goodness, they're so pretty. I'm obsessed with like emerald color and stones. So cute. I'm glad the camera's picking it up and it looks just as good in person. Oh, the pile is dwindling down. Alright, so I got some of these. I don't know why. I think it's because I'm running low on the Swarovski ones and they're getting hard to find, so I just wanted to get some small ones. These actually don't look too bad. Those don't look bad at all. They got a nice little shine on them. Let's get it to focus. So there's those, and they come in like different sizes. Wow, these are so tiny. I did not expect them to look this small. Now I have to look at the picture, because what the hell is this? Wow, I definitely got catfish, because, well, no, those do not look. Those are so much bigger. I mean, I don't know. You guys tell me. I think they look bigger. Especially like that. Like, I don't know. Goodness, but get them out. What do we think? What do we think? They're cute. They're cute. And then, so this was, I'm not going to take these out because we already saw them, but this is the one I bought 2 of accidentally. And then, ooh, these are cute. I think these might have been the ones I was waiting for. They're like gold cherries. These are just as cute, but the cherries are like shaped like hearts. Oh my goodness, they're so cute. They were only $150, but they are sold out. But aren't they so cute? And they look just like that in person. Oh, and then those silver butterflies I got them in gold as well. I completely forgot, but here they are. Here they are. They're cute. I have these flowers, which I think are super cool because they do have a flat back, so they'll lay straight, or like they'll lay flat on the nail. And then I got some different, they're roses, but they're a little different. So I'll put both of them right here. And these are more like bigger, they're chunkier. But it looks like they also can lay flat. But you guys see the difference? Alright, and the last freaking thing are gold money signs. Just like the silver ones, which since I didn't do a close-up, I'll grab those right now. So there's the silver ones, and then there's the gold ones. They're super, super cute. I also got a quick dry all gel LED nail lamp, and this thing was $4. I think that would be a really cool video, especially if it works and anyone's on a budget, they can get that. I will put all the links in my description so you guys can click on them and check it out, see if there's something you got. I do recommend it. Everything was super nice, especially these nail tips for like $4, and they're strong. So I definitely recommend those. This little thing, like I said, I think the most expensive thing was like $4, and I believe it was that UV lamp and maybe these tips, but everything else was under $3. So definitely check out Shein for some super cute nail art. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Go down and subscribe, like this video, and I'll see you guys next time.